And then it kind of transitioned to like, hey, I got to help these young athletes get ready physically. So we started training, speed training, agility, footwork, things like that. And then a couple years into that, I decided that, okay, now I need to turn it into a business. And that was a learning experience in itself. I actually had a friend of mine give me a lady's number who was a director at the SBA, the Small Business Association. So I went in and I met with this lady. Her name is Anna Seifert. I met with her and I told her, hey, I'm starting a business. This is what I do. I help athletes. And she's like, where's your business plan? And I'm like, my what? I don't have a business plan. And she's like, what do you mean you don't have a business plan? And that conversation really showed my lack of experience and lack of knowledge. And so I knew right then, in order to be successful, I had to learn as much as I could about business.